Hi friend! A couple of months ago, Amazon surprised us with a brand new lineup of Kindles. If you've been following this channel, you might have already seen my reviews of the Matcha Kindle and this new 12th Gen Kindle Paperwhite. If not, don't worry, links to those videos will be at the end of this one. But today I've got something just as exciting to share, a brand new Kindle Scribe. I ordered it in this stunning jade color, and to match I also got the plant-based letter folio cover in the same shade. It's finally here and I want to give you my first impressions. And if you're curious about the deep dive into its features and performance, I will be releasing a full in-depth review soon, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. For now though, let's take a closer look at the Scribe and see what it's all about. Let's dive into the unboxing. As always, Kindle devices compact in a minimalistic way, which is something I really appreciate. The attention to detail inside the packaging is also a nice touch. It's simple yet thoughtful. The pen was carefully wrapped to keep it safe, and as soon as I removed it, I was struck by how stunning the jade color is. It's such a deep, rich shade that feels incredibly elegant. Inside the box you will find everything you need to get started. A user guide, a USB-C cable for charging and file transfers, 5 replacement nibs for the pen, and of course the device itself. Unwrapping the Scribe was another reminder of just how amazing the jade color looks. Honestly, I don't think the video does it justice. You really have to see it in person, especially in natural daylight. It's absolutely gorgeous. As for the plant-based leather folio cover, the box doesn't come with much, just the cover itself and a simple but handy guide on how to attach it to the device. Right out of the box, the whole setup looks and feels premium. The device itself has a sleek and elegant design, and the plant-based leather on the folio cover feels fantastic to the touch. The cover attaches firmly to the device using magnets at the base, which gives it a very secure and well thought out feel. One thing I immediately notice is the cover's loop for the pen. It's quite tight, which is a good thing. You definitely don't want to lose your pen. Over time, the leather may stretch and loosen a bit, but for now it feels very secure. If you're not a fan of using the loop, you can also attach the pen magnetically to the device. The cover is cut perfectly to accommodate this, and I really like that design detail. The folio case also impressed me with how well it protects the device. It extends over the corners, which adds an extra layer of protection against bumps and drops. On top of that, it's very functional. You can fold it into a stand with both low and high angle positions, which is great for hands-free reading. As for the device itself, I really like the flash design of the screen. However, I did notice the white strip around the display is a bit thicker compared to something like the Boox Note Air 4C. It's not a deal breaker for me, but in an ideal world, I'd prefer it to be thinner or not there at all. Once I powered on the Kindle Scribe, the massive 10.2-inch glare-free display lit up. It's front-lit with 300 ppi and it looks incredible. After linking it to my account, which by the way you can set up during purchase, I noticed there was a software update available. It took about 10 minutes to install and then I was ready to dive in. One of the first things I did was to download a few books and test out the pen. Right away the experience felt smooth and intuitive. I could write directly on the pages of books, turning them into handwritten notes attached to specific sections. There's also a cool feature where you can break a page and create a space for your writing or drawings, right within the page. I tried out the different pen types and the writing experience is impressive so far. The pen itself feels solid in the hand, with just the right amount of weight to make it comfortable for extended use. Overall, my first impressions have been really positive. Of course, I will be testing the Kindle Scribe thoroughly, as I always do. But I'd love to hear from you. Are there any specific features or tests you'd like me to cover? What are your thoughts on the new Kindle Scribe? Drop your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're excited for the full in-depth review of the Kindle Scribe. It's coming soon. And if you'd like to see my reviews of the Kindle Matcha or the new Kindle Paperwhite, you can find those videos right here and here. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye!